know what you're here for.
Thought I was finally rid of you, trying to break free from the ridicule. When I said I was done, that was literal, but everything that you seems trivial. You a demon that's holding me captive, break me down every time I get active. I'm grappling up my bracket, you said, look at me now, I'm the captain. Man.
What's up, RedTop gang? It's y'all boy, man. You already know, man. RTG coming at you hot like a RPG. Yes, sir. It's y'all boy, the breaker of bars. Yes, y'all, man. Screwface John and Easy Meal himself, Righteous and Ratchet, off my man Screwface's new album, Righteous and Ratchet. Let's go, man. Let's see what we got, man. Collab time. Let's get it. You said I need to call Screw? Damn, Twitter fan. Boy, got them Twitter fingers, don't he?
Oh, time to get to it. Let's get right to the... Hello?
Hey, what up, cuz?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh, yeah. It's about that time. It's about that time.
You already know, man. Let's go.
He hit him with that high-pitched voice. Hey, y'all, what up?
I came from the sand, that's my holy land. Overstand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band, like Axel, I rose and stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam, like OnlyFans. You fucked off, then it's showing up, came righteous in the broken land. Quit all of that chicken, none of that chat. We can be right to the rest. See bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be right to the rest. Hey, we can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people in the stars. We can be right to the rest. So what the fuck you call that? They all cap like a top hat. So fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fucking game.
They all cap like a top hat. That's a big cap, basically. Let's go, man. You mean you fake? Big fake. Let's go.
They all cap like a top hat. So fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fucking game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginnings until I'm fucking.
Came from the bottom.
Full of snakes, I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, better run the wrong way. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch cause I'm lyrically everything. I'm billing your bitches, some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from or at, homie.
Man came in with the fast. He said the blue faces on my stack, homie. But he's stacking his money up. Hold up.
I came from humble beginnings until I'm fucking. I'm winning the middle lane full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village.
Tongue full of venom, snakes, tongue full of venom. Hold up, man.
Scraps, I came from humble beginnings until I'm fucking. I'm winning the middle lane full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, better run the wrong way. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch cause I'm lyrically.
He say similar situation. So wherever Screw's village and he's from Africa, based in Nigeria, I believe. He's whatever his village. My man, Easy Meal say similar situation. Meaning we similar situation, different area, different villages, different tribes, or however it is in the Philippines, basically. Similar situation. Hey, let's go, man. Oh, let's go. Village boys here, man. We get it. Let's get it.
All scraps. I came from humble beginnings until I'm fucking. I'm winning the middle lane full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, better run the wrong way. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch cause I'm lyrically everything. I'm billing your bitches, some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from or at, homie. Send me the addy, we put it on now. Send me the addy, we put it on now. Fuck up your block, we wanna get down.
Send me the addy, we putting in the map. You send me the addy, we gonna pop up on you. I'm a map quest, not map quest. Google map your ass. Okay. Hey, let's go.
Send me the addy, we put it on now. Fuck up your block.
I said map quest. That's old.
Who fucking tested dollar on the rigger? We gon' run the exit, driving in the sprinter with the SMS signing with the living like a homies rest in peace t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat. With the SMS signing with the living like a homies rest in peace t-shirt. I ain't playing.
Delivering death.
Worse, I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quick shit.
None of that chat. We can be right to the rest.
They say he'll slide. He say we stepping twice till my feet hurt. Goddamn. Don't get it done.
I come from the bottom with people in stars. We can be right to the rest.
Should've been stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup that a fiend can sip. But the A button and the evil.
Hey, they in the fucking sewer. They don't get no more bottom than a damn sewer. Righteous and Ratchet said we came from the bottom, standing in the middle of a fucking sewer hole.
Ratchet. I came from the bottom with people installed. We can Ratchet.
Set up this stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup that a fiend can sip. But the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen dripping on down for a pool of the soul. Y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all get pulled up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she paid for the.
Down for pulling your soul, and he said the angel, but you know, soles of your feet as well. Hold up, man, hold up.
But the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen dripping on down for a pool of the soul. Y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all get pulled up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she paid for the pole.
So ready, said it before, they snakes.
She hit me up because she prayed for the pole. The pole. She want the pole. She want the thing.
Pulled up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she paid for the pole.
So ready and go, I said it before, they snakes like Medusa, let's set it in stone.
Oh, that was fire. Fires, snakes. Like Medusa set it in stone. Medusa was the snakehead in mythical time. When she looked at you in the face, you turned to stone. Let's go. That was fire.
For the pole.
So ready and go, I said it before. They snakes like Medusa, let's set it in stone. I've done some things that the Reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house and I'll go in the bay where the pelicans go. Cause the posse feel like a hockey team. Gotta stick in with a semi, they pros. Like a monkey, eat lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty of options. Body on my body, cause Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
Screw that stomp on her heads like a soccer. Deflating those booty shells that they blanca. We launching Boeings to set up tu casa. So get to home and to set up your starter.
Quit all of that. You know that chat. We can be righteous and ratchet. Some bitches be talking, bitches be capping. We can be righteous and ratchet.
Hey.
We can be righteous and ratchet. I came from the bottom with people installed.
Hey. I ain't even mad at this. I'm not even mad at that right there, dog. I wouldn't even mind seeing a whole album with Scru, Easy Scru, basically. Easy Scru, the Village Boys. Easy Scru, the Village Boys. That would be kind of fire, man. That was kind of dope, right? That was a better. I didn't know what to expect out of the collab. But it was actually better than I thought it would be. It was better than I thought it would be. They actually had pretty good chemistry as well. So the Village Boys, man, hey, I like it when a boy came in and said similar situations, like different parts of the world, but similar situations. That's just the way it is, man. The bottom is the bottom, no matter where the bottom is at. It's trash at the bottom, basically. But y'all let me know what y'all think, man. More Easy Meal, Screw. Y'all check out what's already on the channel. Hey, RedTop Gang, peace.